Jessie Diggins, skier in the background, was selected to lead the U.S. Olympic team. UU 2018 at the closing ceremony on Sunday as standard-bearer, as announced today by the United States Olympic Committee. Diggins was elected by a vote of the members of the United States team. A two-time Olympian, Diggins made history at the PyeongChang 2018 Winter Olympics along with his teammate Kikkan Randall, winning the first U.S. team medal for women in cross-country skiing as the pair captured the gold medal in freestyle sprint team. Diggins won the final, surviving the Swedish team in an almost photographic final, winning the Olympic title by 0.19 seconds. He scored the second medal for the U.S. AUU in cross-country skiing in Olympic history, with the first one, a silver, won in 1976. "This is such an incredible honor for me," said Diggins. "I really feel honored and touched because the athletes voted for me. It's very inspiring to feel the support and encouragement of everyone. The best thing for me about the Games has been to meet other athletes from the U.S. team and encourage them in their events to learn about what they do. I have so much respect and admiration for everyone here and I am more than honored to be able to get us out of these Games." In addition to the winning performance of the Diggins gold medal, he also achieved 4 top 6 results in these Games. Early in her career, Diggins was part of the first American team to win a World Cup team sprint event, and she and Randall became the first U.S. cross-country skiers to win a gold medal in the World Championship. Jessie's innovative performances here at PyeongChang have been inspiring and historic, and her success is representative of years of teamwork and determination of all of our athletes, said USOC CEO Scott Blackman. "I am proud that she has been recognized with the distinction of being our champion of the closing ceremony. Her spirit and dedication to her sport and to the members of the team is contagious, and her influence in cross-country skiing and in the EE team. It's remarkable."